Hey everyone, this is Jack and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a little crusty because I didn't expect to be recording such an awesome day, but lesson learned, I should always be ready. And we're going to start out with this Getty Images footage of the Sherman Oaks Galleria where we're going to go to DSW. I had received a deal for like $10 off of a certain amount versus $60 off $200 spent. Since I have over 100 shoes, I'm not exaggerating, I really do. It was time for my partner to grab some upgrades since he only has this limited selection. And we ended up purchasing 10 pairs of shoes together. 8 of them were his. This is what we found.
Fuck, bro.
How much?
100. Oh, 80 bucks.
Who is it? And then these freaking Stevies, bruh. Oh, okay, the snakes can look good too, though. So our question was this coupon going to actually account for the things already on clearance? Because some shoes ended up being like $8. Damn. Short answer is, it was.
You know we love to see it.
Bruh. All right, Chaco, I see you. All of these are his, and these are mine. No, it's not the same one. Oh my god. Yo, look at those fucking holographic. Whoa. A beverage life vest. I'd have all of these things. Alright? Yeah, that's fine.
I was ready for that.
Stacy's Derby. $8. $8.
I knew it.
$16. I know you can't handle it.
Breaking the bank on that
Can't handle it. 60 off.
one. Beautiful.
Then I even give you $1.57.
Yoo-hoo!
I know, I'm telling you guys.
Look at this. He's a pirate. Arr. What is kid? What a sick ass band. After shopping, we had to celebrate, and since we were hungry, we stopped by Blue Dog Tavern, which is a place dedicated to puppies all over the city, and visit this eatery. We have a little bit of a story to tell you after we left the store in a rush, but first, some grub. Look at all these Polaroids of puppies on the wall. Also, we had Nautica to keep us company on our table.
Successful shopping, successful. Oh, the retail therapy.
Cheers, these. Refresh. We got some au jus. Oh no, sorry, tri-tip sandwich. I'm projecting. And then my honey chipotle. And then we got some buffalo. And then chili cheese fries. And then what's in there again?
Bacon cheddar avocado burger.
What is it called? Sierra
Summit.
Summit. Word. Alright, bruh. So let's check out the haul that we got today.
Alright, let's start with the big open one. Or do you want to say that for last?
Oh, wait. Let's just tell a story really quick about the guy who saw us walking back from the store to our car. He literally stopped us because we were carrying these because they didn't have any bags. And I had a stack, he had a stack.
We don't look like burglars at all or anything. You know?
Well, we were walking really fast. And he was like, hey, can I ask you guys what is going on? Right? Dude, I had the camera.
Oh yeah, it was. He didn't know. He was very confused, but also curious. And we're like, he said, were they having some kind of sale? And I said, you know, it was a pretty good sale if you want to go check it out.
And I was like, it was 80%, and his face was like,
his face lit up real fast.
What? And I was like, yeah, they had a lot of men's stuff. And he was like, where can I find it? We're like, down the hall to the right, up the escalators. He's like, what is it called? And then we told him, and he was like, "Thank you so much." I was like, "No probs."
But they didn't have bags. That was the only downside to our shopping. But
well, it was marketing though.
We saved the money on the bags.
And also it was marketing for them. Like people were like, "How the hell did these guys come up with that many shoes?"
Well, I mean, we now have one of our favorite purveyors of footwear here, but
dude, we're like simps for Steve Madden, and this is not sponsored in any way.
No.
But their bags are really good. We've had these bags since last year, and we've been using them for groceries, guys.
Pocket too.
We have never used that, but they're so sturdy, and the size is like great.
Yeah.
That middle bag that we have right there, it was for another grocery thing, but those have ripped on the bottom already. Granted, they are older, but still. Anyway, all right. Story time over. Let's start out with. You want to start out with those Wolverines?
No, those last, that was probably the best deal that we got of the day. These are nice right here. The Sperry 13s. I think these are the Davenport Penny Triple Bs.
So they're like a nice brown
It's a simple
suede.
like little suede leather, but they also got a nice traction on the heel. I think
they're boat shoes.
They're meant for boats, yeah. So you got traction all the way up the heel and everything. So, but just a nice little loafer for going around doing pretty much everything. I think we got these like $8.
Yeah,
originally
this is
like
steal.
40. Yeah,
this was in the 80% section.
Another good deal too. The Skechers.
Oh yeah, so many people I know like to crap on Skechers, and I don't know why. They are one of the most comfortable shoes that I've ever owned. Like I own 3 of them over here, like over there.
No places.
The white one, the pink one, and this holographic green one. Can you believe it or not? They're all Skechers. But yeah,
these were only 20% off the 75, so I think that's like 50 something.
But it's well worth it.
Yeah,
these
are nice. These are like memory foam, like the elastic laces and stuff. Yeah, so these are gonna be like my pretty much everyday go around do everything shoes.
Yeah, you always need a good pair of those, and they're gray, so they're neutral, and they'll like match anything.
I'm saving the Stacy's for later.
Okay.
These were on sale. Oh, this is good stuff.
That's for my crafts. Oh dang. On my crafts.
This is a two-handed operation.
Yeah, I know. That's fine. Okay.
Okay. So these were some brand I hadn't heard of.
But I liked them because I was just
Merrill.
like, oh, they look like a puffy jacket. And then I looked inside and I was like, these are fleece.
Yeah, these are super insulated and they have like a really rugged tread on them. So these are probably for like winter time, snow time. Icy kind of situations or
like mountains.
These were for 59, so these were probably like 12 or 13.
No, I think these were 8 too.
No, these were for 59 originally.
Oh, okay.
I think that was like 12 or 13.
There was 11 and there was like a $14 or $15 one.
Yeah, that was. I know which one's 15. That's not big deal.
Okay.
And then these ones were the running shoes.
Saucony ones. I love the Saucony ones. I also have a pair right over there, the blue and green one. They're really great for runners or for like, you could hike too in like dusty mountains.
Yeah, these would be the more active wear kind of shoe.
Yeah, these are high performance, so.
Really good. They have really good like sole and arch support. I felt it on the heel as well. These were 35 or 40, something like that, because these were the blue tag for 70, so it's like 40% off, I think. These were actually also a really good deal.
Oh, yeah. No,
it was like 35 or 40. Then we'll go over here. Yeah, here's more of the 80%ers. Just like some sandals.
Oh, I told him that he needed some because when we go to the Philippines or like anywhere that's tropical. By the way, this is such an underrated brand. Again, not sponsored, but I just have to say that they know what the hell they're doing. Chaco. I also bought a mountain shoe from there. You guys saw the blue ones that I tried on at the store. I got those for $8. But yeah, I told him to get some sandals with the toe because like whenever we have flip-flops and there's sand and water, the flip-flop wants to swim away. So this is literally strapped in. It's not the prettiest thing, but it's super efficient for that kind of thing. And the tread is pretty good on the bottom too.
Yeah, and it's thick. It's like got some good foam on it too. These were 39 original. I think we got them for $8.
Yeah. So. Both of my shoes were 8.
Thick.
Do the boots. Okay. The flashes should be last.
We'll save the Stacy's for last. So these are probably the best deal that we got all day. These Wolverine boots, size 13. They're like 3M insulated, waterproof, go everywhere, do anything, all leather, except for the sole, oil and slip resistant, but these will be outdoor shoes for me. Because I already have some work boots, but these originally were 80 and I got them for like $16.
Yeah.
Dollars.
Dude, I know.
This
So
is
good.
the best deal of the day. And like, we talked to the cashier and it was probably because I have a larger shoe size and that probably gave me a little bit more variety. She said those sales were going originally at 30%. So us coming here later on to it kind of helped
But
us.
how many people are actually size
13?
13s? Like I saw 2 size 15s and they were really cool looking, but you know, I don't even know who has that big of feet except basketball players.
Let's do this because Stevie Madden.
Oh yeah.
Stevie Madden.
Oh, to the G.
So these were these were actually one of the more expensive ones. The Del Rey Black Snakes. They were $100 normally.
This
I think we
one
got
was
it for like
20% off.
80. I think we got it for like 80.
Yes. Girl, look at those though.
It's got that off
Dude, I got pants that look like this.
Right?
Oh, I kind of want them, but they'll never
That
fit me.
signature Steve Madden buckle.
But like, look at the bottom too. That's like some sexy vignetting around. Ugh, and this
tan
leather,
the heel,
the asymmetrical like
sole.
heel.
They're
So
gorgeous.
beautiful.
Those would be some fun shoes to wear out and about.
Fabulous.
And then finally, Stacey Adams, which was not once again the best deal of the day, but this is what kind of spurred on this whole situation of.
You're Stacy's dad. Stacy's dad has got it going on.
They call me daddy for a reason.
Oh girl, look, it's like
right
stars, dude.
The purple crushed velvet with the gold fleck.
It's more like it's like a
Burgundy.
Merlot.
It depends on the the light.
Lighting, yeah.
Because like in the
It's
store
a
lighting,
red.
it was more cool and it was more blue. Now over here it seems a little bit warmer.
Dude, you're making me want to I have shoes that are velvety and that look like dragon scales. I kind of want to fleck gold on them to match you.
Okay, we'll give you like a whole run.
yeah, okay.
Of everything.
So this is what we got today just for him.
It's like total with all of our savings, I think we only paid a little over $200.
Yeah, so they had a coupon that was like for over $200 or $199 actually. You got $60 off. And then I had a $10 coupon off of his account and I got my 2 humble shoes are this Sperry one. I really like them because they were super warm. They have this fuzzy thing and some tread, but it's great to slip on and they're like moccasins. And then Chacos, fleece lined and everything, and then you can tighten or release. So
no laces.
Yeah, these are the 2 I got, and then that's what he got today. Overall, I say that this was quite a good haul, huh?
I mean, it's not out of character for us to go shopping. I mean, actually today's shopping was planned for me. But
yeah,
I mean, we have in the past gone shopping for others.
Or he'll look for something else. Like the last time we went to Macy's, oh girl, he bought so much stuff because it was like the guys just had such great patterns and stuff like that.
Yeah, it was kind of a gold mine. I really like some intricate patterns in brighter colors that.
I mean, look at those.
Yeah,
so
they aren't really standard procedure for most
and those
masculine leading people out there. So
dude,
I definitely acquired a suitable wardrobe because of what was available.
Yeah, we're fun people. We like to express ourselves with color and texture, and so I think we did a really good job today. High five! Well, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it so that other people can learn more about deals like this. Subscribe and click the notification bell so that you know when we have new content out next. And until next time, keep curious, everyone. Jack and Jeremy out. Bye-bye, shoes. You've been through so many countries with us and so many dance parties. We will miss you.
Taking care of laces.
Oh, yeah. And his mate. Thank you for your service.